Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As I just want to let you know, guys, that I'm starting off with the nano marine tank. Actually, two nano marine tank, one for myself and one for my friend Ritin. Hi Ritin, hope you're watching this. I would like to save you the time of for this packaging stuffs and all. And let's go directly jump into the video. As you can see, these are the stuffs which I brought, and this is my first purchase as well from Kodattur. And I stay put in Bangalore, and I got the stuffs through courier. So let's get deep into the video. We are planning actually into the 30 centimeter cube tank. Let's say a molded one. Actually, people suggest not to use the molded ones as salt water, as high pressure and a slight disruption can cause a crack. Anyways, it's just trial and error method. So just trying this. So let's see how it comes out. Actually, the tank was brought in Bangalore itself. I wouldn't risk it couriering it from Chennai. And coming to the sand, I went with Revo Reef 3DM sand. Actually, I'm still not sure whether I'm gonna go with only marine tank or fish plus reef tank or just fish tank. I'm not sure. So in just safer side, in safe case, I got this Revo 3DM reef sand. In case if I change my mind, I can use this. So that's the reason. So coming up to the next item, let's start with the filter. Actually, for this nano tank, I plan to go with the Geneca XP6, which has quite good reviews as well in the net. It's very good actually. I am using it from. I'm using it in my another planted tank. It's good. It is a good flow rate and surface skimmer. Really works like a charm. Let's see how it comes out for the marine tank. I hope this is more than enough for the 30 centimeter cube tank, as flow won't be so high and flow will be very moderate, and what a nano reef wants, nano reef tank wants. And the next item is for the RS 4000 filter. Actually, this I have planned for my tank. Actually, my tank is 45 centimeters, so I thought this will be enough, but I'm scared now. Actually, it's too big. As you can see, the flow rate is mentioned 1600 liter per hour. I think it will be quite big for my tank. There's a chances of disruption of my sand substrate. The flow is high. Anyways, there's a flow controller knob, so I think I can use it in controlling the flow pressure. Actually, I didn't know this is so big, but it's quite big once I got it. And let's see how it turns out. And let's keep this aside and let's start with the LED lights. Actually, I went away with the Sobo. These are the new lights available in the market. I don't think it's available in Bangalore. I think it's from more available in Chennai actually. It uses new technology, COB LED. And I did a bit of research and reading some vlogs about this cob lamps usage in aquariums and reef tanks. It's a good review actually. Actually, many reviews suggest that COB has a good eye rate in growth of corals and for reef tank. Let's see how it comes out. Anyways, I will be going the in-depth review later on by the unboxing of these lights about the light output and brightness and lumens. So let's discuss it later in the next video about the light quality. Next, coming up to the microlife S2. I think everyone knows about this, so I don't want to waste much time about talking about this. As you all are aware that it is for faster maturation of the tank, good bacterial growth, and a quartz sponge which can be used in the filter. Actually, there are quartz sponge provided with the both Geneca as well as RS filter, but as safer side I've got the spare one. It's good course. I think another 3 months I'd not to worry you. I think it's a good filter. Filter sponge is good actually, very good. And coming to the main essential protein skimmer, which is the very essential for any marine setup, as people say, and it's RS 4002 skimmer, which is air driven protein skimmer. I don't know why many YouTubers or bloggers doesn't talk about this skimmer. Maybe it does the job, or it is not quite up to the mark. Anyways, as I told, it's a trial and error method of my marine tank, and as well as the price is very low so of the skimmer. So let's try, and I think many will be waiting for this feedback. Let's do this unboxing in the next videos. I will keep you guys posted about the build quality and how to calibrate it. Coming to reef salt, as I told you, I am not sure whether I'm gonna with just fish tank or fish and reef tank. So actually I ordered for reef Red Sea sand, Red Sea salt, but Cesar mistakenly sent the aqua forest reef salt, but it's fine. Anyways, it is meant for reef, and I think it will be useful for me in setting up either fish tank or the reef tank. Let's see how's the mixable quality in our next video. And this is the infrared treated ceramic pots rings, just addition to the filter. Just see how it's gonna come out. Anyways guys, and this is all for today. These are the stuffs which I brought from Kolattur, and I think I know many more is pending. Those stuffs I can buy it from Bangalore itself, and I keep you guys posted further about each unboxing of the stuffs. Thank you guys, thank you for your support. Please subscribe, support, like, comment. Thank you.